and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we've come to Edwardsville, Illinois to check out the West End gas station. Now, the West End gas station was and is a landmark here along Route 66 in Edwardsville for about 30 years, from 1930 something until I believe 1964. It was a gas station, a filling station here in Edwardsville. And then as Route 66 was bypassed by the interstate, by Highway 55, Interstate 55, the building came up for sale. It was scheduled to be demolished, but it was saved by I guess from my understanding, the City of Edwardsville and a local tourism group here in downstate Illinois, and they saved it from destruction, and now it has been renovated, and so it is a visitor center, a welcome center here, celebrating Route 66. Right, they are open Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So here we have a kind of a mural showing historic sites here in Edwardsville that are along Route 66. The West End gas station is just one of a few sites still remaining. And here it's talking a little bit more about the West End service station. Here are some things, specific things to see. Route 66. There is a Route 66 monument. Here's the West End service station. And then there is, further uptown, there is the Route 66 mural. That mural is one of the postcard murals that were recently on the one side of the wall here in what used to be the repair area, the garage area. It's a map of Route 66. Here it talks about the distance there, the Chain of Rocks Bridge. Now this space here, this is actually can be rented out as an event space. So it's a pretty nice, neat little space. This placard is talking about the history of the West End service station, and it is one of Edwardsville's few remaining Route 66 landmarks and one of the last original Route 66 service stations in nearly 60 miles. Here we have a model of Hank. Hank was the owner's dog he eventually got when there was a break-in. There is an informational panel behind him there. There's a close-up of Hank. I just like that. It looks like a giant bottled cap. Now, just down the hill from the West End gas station, down the hill, just a little bit down the street, down the Route 66, there are a couple other Route 66 things here. I'm just going to show you this as well, point these out. Now, the first thing here is this Route 66 Wayside Marker Interactive Station. There are several of these along Illinois Route 66. One of my very early videos I did was on this. I'll put a link in the description of this video so you can check it out for yourself. But it's got a lot of information about Route 66 and sites you can see here along Route 66 in Illinois. Of interest, it's just a kind of like photo op, is this giant Route 66 shield sculpture. This is one of 6 that you can find along the last 100 miles of Route 66 in Illinois. Now, if you are enjoying this video, or if you have enjoyed any of the Adventures in TV Land, you can help support this channel by going to either Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon, or even here on YouTube, and just making a donation, or $3 a month. That's all you need for a donation, monthly membership, and it will The membership will provide you your name and the credits at the end of these videos, as well as a postcard each and every month that you are a member. You could also just hit the super like button down below. It's a little heart with a $sign in it. Those funds go to help support the channel as well. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land where we visited the West End gas station in Tourist Information Center here in Edwardsville, Illinois. If you've liked this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you'd like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. Until next time, that's a wrap.